So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle content. If you like more of these videos, kindly please subscribe down below and turn on your bells so you don't miss any of my tips and tricks and hacks on everything lifestyle. So today we are going to do a wig, as the title suggests. We are going to do just a normal wig, if I could say so. So this is our wig cap. We've already secured it in our manicure. So I bought this dummy at Dubois Road, bought it at 700 shillings. I bought the clamp at an Instagram store for 700 shillings also, yes. And this wig cap is 250 shillings. I'll be sure to leave the cost of each item down in my description box. So let me introduce you to the tools you're going to use. First, you're going to use a normal sewing thread. So this is black thread. We are going to use a curved needle. So this is how it looks like. It's just a curved needle. I also bought this at my local cosmetic shop, and I've already put some thread in it, so I have double the thread. Yes, so we have secured our wig cap with some pins. I don't know if you guys could tell. Let me get one of the pins and show you how they look like. So this is how the pins are looking like. So they are T in shape, and I have just put them at the corners of the wig cap. I just used 4 of them, and the wig cap comes with this string. I have secured it down here. We are going also to use some scissors. And last but not least, we are going to use the show of the day, this Cianda 18-inch weave. It's black in color, so it's number 1, and it's from Angels. So that is how the packaging looks like. I bought this at my local cosmetic shop at 600 shillings. So let's open this up and start sewing. So it comes with 3 bundles and 1 closure. So this is our closure. That is how it looks like when it's in its original shape. So it has a parting, but not a very clear parting. So it's very long. It's 18-inch. So that is how it looks like. So we are going to start doing our closure first. We're going to start sewing it.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And